Good evening to the all present here, especially to my professor, Miss Badette Basilio. I am standing before you all to share my thoughts through my speech about life. We all know that life is a continuous and growing process that has end someday. Life is all about adhering yourself, creating yourself, a code for you that life can be only understood backward, but it must be life forwards. Life itself is a golden opportunity to live a meaningful life and support others to do so. It doesn't matter how many years you live, but it matters how well you live a quality life. College was a never dream for me. It was a far off, unattainable fantasy. I met some inspiring teachers in high school who encouraged me to change my life and who helped me to thrive. Without them, I would not be where I am today. Life is not easy. Who wants here live a perfect life? Who wants here to have great job or a successful business? Who wants here to be married to Mr. Right and or Mr. Perfect? Who wants here to have friends that stick by us, came rain or shine? And I'm sure that we all want to be able to have all the material things like us to offer and have all our problems just disappear. But how? Nobody likes to struggle through life. Unfortunately, that is also what may be stopping you from having that great life. The thought of all that work, all the planning, overcoming hurdles and resistance is enough to make a lot of people give up before they even start. It can seem it can all seem too overwhelming and for many it all just doesn't seem be worth it. It's like being drained of energy just as thought of running a marathon. Before you are even at the starting line, the thought of all that running just scares you and tires you so much. Mentally, you just decide not to go for it. It's just too hard. That is one of the beautiful things about life. You can make your life better. You have you have total responsibility for what you do and how you respond to the fact that life is hard. As the now, like saying goes, if life hands you lemons, make lemonade. Accepting that life is hard comes with accepting that you have responsibility to make it better. Not only do you have the responsibility to make it better, you have the ability and the power to make it better. The only person you have any control is yourself. You cannot change other people. Let's take the example for marriage for a moment. Notice that I did not say you should turn your husband or spouse into an ideal spouse. I said you should become the ideal husband or wife you want. You're supposed to be. Then once you become such a person, you may have several choices as to how to relate to your spouse. You always have choices. I mean, you have a choice. In lifetimes, you will actually find that choices are not as hard as you thought they were. You may just shut off your mind from seeing those clothes, those choices and possibilities because you thought you had no choice. Once you become open the idea that you are responsible for your life and that you have choices, you will find that you are no longer stuck just because life is hard. As a future educator, I am committing to helping my students succeed, achieve more, and continue on to higher education. Every child should be given the opportunity to showcase their strengths and follow their dreams. And the dream of success motivates me to study, not my success, my future students' success. I push myself through the rough spots for them. In this one of my inspiration to survive whatever obstacle, problem that I need to face. At that point, life is still hard, but you have the final say. Your life becomes more meaningful and purposeful. You are stronger than you think. You survive all your challenges at this point, and you will survive whatever is coming. But next time the struggle comes, I don't want you to curse the skies. Know that it was sent for a reason and a lesson. It might be to make you stronger. It might be to teach you patience. It might be for you to show others your spirit. There is a reason. So don't you give up. You have a purpose in this world, and you will only find it if you keep going and keep growing. Your life is what you make it. So that's all. Thank you for listening to my speech.